turn the key and nothing? Or maybe you hear some strange noises instead of your engine firing up. A bad starter could be the issue. In this video, we're breaking down the symptoms of a failing starter so you can get your car back on the road. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. It helps us bring you more videos like this. Symptom 1. Engine won't crank. The most obvious sign of a bad starter is that your engine won't crank. You might hear a click when you turn the key, or you might hear nothing at all. If your battery is good, the starter is a likely culprit. Symptom 2. Intermittent starting issues. A starter that's going bad may work fine one day and fail the next. If your car starts inconsistently or needs multiple tries, it could mean the starter is on its way out. Symptom 3. Grinding noise. If you hear a grinding noise when starting your car, it might be the starter's gears not engaging properly with the engine's flywheel. Ignoring this can damage the flywheel, leading to a more expensive repair. Symptom 4. Whirring or buzzing sounds. Sometimes a bad starter will produce a whirring or buzzing sound, especially if the motor is spinning but not engaging the flywheel. This is often a sign that the starter solenoid or internal components are failing. Symptom 5. Smoke or burning smell. If you notice smoke or a burning smell coming from under the hood after trying to start the car, it could be a sign of a bad starter. This happens when the starter motor overheats from excessive use or an electrical issue. Symptom 6. Dashboard lights work but no crank. When the starter is bad, your dashboard lights and other electronics might still turn on, but the engine won't crank. This helps rule out the battery and points to the starter as the problem. Symptom 7. Starter stays on. A faulty starter can sometimes stay engaged even after the engine has started, leading to a grinding noise or potential damage to the engine. If this happens, it's important to address it immediately. What causes a starter to fail? Common reasons include worn-out internal components, electrical issues, or overheating. Corroded connections or a bad solenoid can also lead to starter failure. Regular maintenance can help extend its life. How to fix it? If the starter is the issue, it'll need to be replaced or rebuilt. But before jumping to conclusions, make sure to check the battery, connections, and fuses first, as these can cause similar symptoms. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.